Networking basics. Understanding the ABCs of computer networks. Yek 1. The OSI model. Imagine a computer network as a cake with 7 layers. Each layer has a different job, from sending messages to ensuring their safe arrival. 2. Protocols and standards. Computers follow rules, just like in a game. These rules, called protocols, help them understand each other. It's like having a common language for everyone. Defy! Three, IP addressing. Every device in a network has a unique name called an IP address. It's like having a phone number for each computer so they can communicate. 4. Routing and switching. Routing is like deciding which roads data should take between cities, and switching is like controlling traffic within a city. Five, network security basics. Computer networks have tools like firewalls and encryption to protect against threats, just like a castle has guards to keep it safe. Going deeper into networking magic. 6. Advanced routing protocols. GPS for data. Think of advanced routing like using a GPS for data, said the expert. It helps find the best routes for information to travel quickly and efficiently. Seven, cloud networking, storing stuff in the digital sky. Cloud networking is like having a magical storage space in the sky. It allows computers to share and store things without physical limits. Eight, the sorcery of software-defined networking, SDN, changing the rules. Imagine being able to change how a game is played in the middle, the expert described. SDN is like having a magic wand that lets us control and change how networks work. Nine, quality of service, QoS, making sure everyone's happy. Quality of service, QoS, is like being the conductor of an orchestra. It ensures that all the different parts of the network work well together, just like music and harmony. Ten, network automation and scripting spells. Doing jobs faster. Automation is like having a helper to do repetitive tasks, explained the expert. It's a bit like using special spells, scripts, to make things happen quickly and without mistakes.